House, originally designed by legendary architect Craig Ellwood in 1965, has been meticulously renewed by Woods Dangaran, a comprehensive transformation of an iconic residence. Located in Los Angeles, California, this home is a brilliant example of how classic design can be revived without losing its original identity. Architecturally, the house is a pure glass box, iconic of the mid-century modern style. But after more than half a century, its original structure required serious attention. All the old single-pane windows were replaced with new energy-efficient glass. Interestingly, this upgrade was carried out without altering the original opening mechanisms or optical appearance. A thoughtful move that reflects a strong commitment to preserving the original design intent. The exterior didn't escape restoration either. Weathered wood panels were replaced with new ones, stained to resemble natural redwood, the signature tone of the home's structural frame. This wasn't just about rejuvenation, but also a respectful homage to the original material palette Ellwood employed. With a modest footprint of just 1,700 square feet, about 158 square meters, space efficiency was key to the interior redesign. Renovations were carried out carefully to maintain smooth movement throughout the home. In the kitchen, the cooktop was repositioned to enhance functionality without changing the slim galley format. In the guest bedroom and office area, storage was reconfigured to allow for a larger guest bathroom. Fixtures were moved to one side, and a large skylight was added to invite natural light. The master bathroom received the most attention. The entrance layout and all fixtures were reimagined to provide greater privacy to the primary bedroom. This adjustment also allowed soft natural light to filter in from the hallway, creating a bright and open atmosphere. In terms of interiors, the design approach combines custom contemporary furniture with authentic mid-century pieces. Everything is proportionally arranged within the compact open plan, resulting in a simple yet comfortable circulation throughout the space. Every corner of the house features upgraded materials. Previously plain white walls are now clad in honey-toned teak wood panels with elegant black trim accents. Floors and other surfaces are adorned with earth-toned ceramic tiles, fluted glass, dark marble with golden veins, emerald green granite, and brass-plated metal fixtures. These rich textures elevate both the visual and tactile experience of the home, while remaining faithful to the spirit of mid-century design. Moore House is living proof that historic homes can be restored and adapted for contemporary needs without sacrificing their original character. This is not just a renovation, but a work of art that bridges the past and the future in one cohesive living space. Moore House, a thoughtful restoration that blends the legacy of modernist architecture with the comforts of modern living. May it serve as a source of inspiration for those of you planning or renovating your dream home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more design inspiration from Block 7. See you in the next video, only on Block 7, your space for architectural design inspiration.